Good morning, you guys. It's day 5. And finally the day has arrived जिसके लिए हम बहुत excited थे. That's the Tiger Nest Day. We are going to trek up, which is 6 hours trek. 3 hours to go up and 3 hours to come back, but depends हमें कितना टाइम लगता है. So अभी बज रहे कुछ 6 and अभी 7 बजे तक विल हैव ब्रेकफास्ट एंड देन विल लीव फटाक से, क्योंकि हमें आके वापस के पारो में लोकल मार्केट एक्सप्लोर करना है शॉपिंग के लिए. एंड कल हम जो रिवर राफ्टिंग गए थे उससे बॉडी तो पेन हो रही है, बट we can't stop over here, so we'll definitely do the Tiger Nest thing and it will be really beautiful. So let's go.
3 घंटा 4 घंटा में आया होता.
We have reached the base camp of Tiger Nest. This is the base camp and that's where we are supposed to go. लेकिन ये भी तकलीफ होती है ना सांस लेने की. We are now here near the cafeteria. On the route, this is the only one I saw till now, and there's only one, I guess. And from here, we'll go walking. We'll trek up over there. We can see Tiger Nest from here. I'll show you. That's the Tiger Nest. It's been 1 hour that we are walking. It actually took 1 hour for the horse ride and another 1 hour to climb, but still we haven't reached there. Let's see how much more time we'll need. Look at this unbelievable view, and that's the Tiger Nest finally. Finally reached over here, but we can't go in without a guide, so we are waiting for everyone. It was the 4th one to climb up. They are the first, second and third people. काका तुम्ही पहिले आले, कसं वाटतंय?
खूप एन्जॉय केला मी.
किती तास लागले तुम्हाला वरती चढायला?
1 तास 35 मिनिटांमध्ये मी वरती टच केलं.
वाव.
विथ मी माझं टार्गेट असतं चढताना माझ्या समोर जे 5 ते 10 लोक मी कव्हर करणार आणि नंतर मग पुढे जाऊन 1 मिनिट 1.5 मिनिट थांबतो मी. हे माझं टार्गेट असतं नेहमी. एवढं ते टार्गेट अचीव्ह करत मी लवकरात लवकर पोहोचलोय.
भारी. काका तुम्ही दुसरे आले ना?
मी सेकंड आलो.
कसं वाटतंय?
सेकंड येण्याचं माझं कारण आहे, तसं साहेब मी बरोबरच आलो असतो.
ओके.
मी गेले 2 महिन्यापूर्वी 8 दिवस आजारी होतो. 2 महिने मी घराच्या बाहेर पडलो होतो.
तरी तुम्ही खूप भारी केलं.
त्यांच्या मागे अर्धा तासाच्या फरकाने मी 2 तासाने आलो.
हो.
सेकंड मी आलो, वहिनी बरोबरच होत्या मागे.
आणि काकू थर्ड आले.
मी थर्ड आले.
भारी.
मी पण खूप एन्जॉय केला. खूप छान वाटतंय.
आता आम्ही बसलोय सगळे येण्यासाठी, कारण की गाइड के आने के अलावा हमें अंदर जाने नहीं देंगे. सो वी आर सिटिंग ओवर हियर. दिस इज द गेट. फ्रॉम हियर वी हैव टू क्लाइंब अप एंड दिस इज द रूट फ्रॉम वेयर वी केम.
तेरा बाप भी पहुंच गया है ऊपर. मी आलो कधी चहा प्यायला तो ना असंच बघा सगळं पैसे सगळं कोणतं गोरेवाल्याने पाहिजे सगळे बरं.
1 hour we have been waiting. Our guide has finally arrived.
मला माहिती आहे तुम्ही निघलंच नाहीये, लेकिन
So we were over there. We climbed down from there and we crossed the bridge which is in front of that waterfall, and then we came over here. We are done with visiting the tiger nest. Now we are climbing back down. So let's see how much time it will take. It's 1 o'clock right now. Let's go. It's been 1 hour now and we have almost made to the cafeteria. मतलब अभी तक आए नहीं है, but we'll reach over there. And then I guess we are going to take horse ride again because we are getting late for the lunch. If we don't reach on time, we won't get lunch. So yeah, let's go.
इधर से निकल.
नीचे थी
हाँ चलो.
हाल्टर आउट है.
हाँ चलो.
We didn't take the horse. We are going down walking, and it's been I guess 2 hours now, 2.5 hours, and we'll reach down shortly. My legs have started hurting now and there's no one with me. I am all alone and this is the beautiful route. See? We have finally made it. We have reached the base camp. I guess it's complete 3 hours now, and now we'll have lunch, and before that we'll have water because I didn't have had water. The amount of happiness you get after removing your shoes. Oof. Now we are waiting for other members to arrive so we can go and have lunch. It was very good experience. You should at least come over here once in a lifetime, but it's beautiful and very pretty. Now we are going to have a cultural dance program, so let's enjoy that.
या कला
Good morning, you guys. It's the day 5. No, it's the day 6, and we are leaving for Phuntsung Ling now. So we are going back where we started the trip. So it will take time to us to reach over there. It will take something around 6 hours, and yeah.
Closed.
This is our last day stay in Bhutan, and the most exciting thing is if you want to see TV while sitting on a sofa, you can see here, and if you want to see TV while sleeping, you just rotate it and tada, you can sleep and see and keep it rotating if you want. And the most exciting is the bathtub. I'm so happy that we have a bathtub. Now I'll be in bathtub only. Yes, the mirror isn't good, but the room is. So yeah, tada. Good evening, everyone. It's the pretty evening we are having right now. See the clouds, and today we are staying at Hotel Palm, where we have a swimming pool over here. They also have the gym area and everything. Above there is a dining hall, and this is the hotel. We have left Bhutan and we are finally in India. So we have now we have taken a stop for lunch. We'll have lunch. It's too early for having lunch, but we have to take it right now because after that we have our train to Kolkata, which is from NGP. It's finally the time to go home. Most of the people has left already who were with us on this trip. Only 6 people, me including 7 people are remaining. जो अब जाएंगे, जिनकी फ़्लाइट 12:05 की है और अभी बज रहे हैं सिर्फ 10:30. सो हम वेट कर रहे हैं. गेट नंबर भी अभी तक अनाउंस हुआ नहीं है. सो वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग कि गेट नंबर आ जाए तो वी कैन जस्ट शिफ्ट ओवर देयर. आई एम तो स्लीप बहुत ज़्यादा, बट या लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स. लेट्स गो होम फाइनली. But we had really good time on this trip and we enjoyed a lot. Although मैंने इतना कुछ शूट नहीं किया है व्लॉग के लिए, but I was busy over there. But it was really fun. I'll definitely visit Bhutan again. So yeah, till then stay tuned.